This is the Marantz Professional Microphone MPM-2000U, and it's a USB condenser microphone with a high quality for DAW recording for a studio. I'm going to open the box and see what comes inside the box. Now let's turn the box, and on the back we have some more information about this microphone. So let's see. We can see this is the model MPM-2000U from Marantz, and it's a high-quality studio condenser USB microphone for DAW recording. It's a topping the line of Marantz USB microphones, perfect for recording high quality directly to digital audio workstation DAW, has a studio quality frequency response and built-in 48 kHz, 16-bit A2D converter, making it ideal for recording vocals, instruments and percussion. So you can use it in various ways. Now let's see about the features. We have 4 studio quality USB condenser microphone. It's the first one. It's designed for DAW recording. It's high quality 48 kHz 16-bit A2D converter, and the last one, fast transient response. Inside the box comes the MPM-2000U microphone. There it is on the picture. A USB cable, not in the picture. A shock mount, this thing with elastics that absorb the impacts. And last one, a professional microphone case. That is this plastic case in the picture. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Let's open the box, and on the top let's cut the tape so we can open the box. Let's open the card box. Let's open this. Now let's take this out. This is the plastic case, and there's nothing more inside. And we have a more rigid plastic case. It's a hard plastic, not like the top of protective cases, but good enough. To open the case, we need to pull these things on both sides, and also this one, and open. It's so big that won't fit on the screen. Let's turn this sideways. Here we have the microphone, the MPM-2000U, inside a plastic bag, and will be connected on the bottom via USB here, USB type B, and the microphone on the top. Later I will do a comparative test with another microphones I have. We also have a USB cable with at least 3 meters. It's a USB type A to type B, so you can connect this to any personal computer. Let's do this later. We have a shock mount inside another plastic bag, so let's take this out and see the shock mount. So we can insert the microphone here, and this will absorb the impacts if you move it. You will screw it here or directly on the bottom of the microphone. That's why I also bought this tripod to support it. So here we have a mini tripod, and we'll do this later. And this is everything that comes inside the box of the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U. So we have one microphone, one USB cable, one shock mount, and a rigid plastic travel case. We can close it and carry it, just like this. Now let's mount the microphone on the tripod. Let's take the microphone and the shock mount, insert it like this, because this will screw on the tripod right here. This plug will connect to the computer, and this other plug will connect to the microphone, and it's almost ready. Now let's do a few tests to see if the quality of this microphone is good or not. Let's pack this. So here we have three types of microphones, and let's test each one. We have a microphone on earphones, a microphone on a new smartphone, and a condenser microphone. Let's record a similar test. Hello world, this is an audio recording test with a microphone from the earphone. Hello world, this is an audio recording test with a microphone from the smartphone. Hello world, this is an audio recording test with the microphone Marantz MPM-2000U. So you could hear three different microphones from earphones, a smartphone and a condenser microphone. So it's up to you if you think this microphone is good and superior to these other ones. And this was the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U, a condenser microphone. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button and write in the comments if you have any question, because I read and answer to every comment.